Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Polar Grid X2, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. So let's get started. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. And another thing to mention is that if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the POLAR FlowSync application. And once you meet all of the conditions, we can continue and we can open the POLAR FlowSync application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application, we can tap on the menu button right here in the top left corner, scroll down and tap on devices and tap on it, of course. And here you should see your Polar Grid X2. Now scroll down and look for the option factory reset. Tap on it, tap on OK, and the watch will start resetting. It will also disappear from the app. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.